to my channel. My name is Adara, and on this channel I talk about everything from clean beauty, wellness, health, and so much more. Today's video, I'm going to slow things down. We're going to do kind of a makeup therapy session. I'm going to show you guys this kind of summery vibed makeup look that I created. This video is in collaboration with Carson. She is a fellow clean beauty YouTuber. She's also going to be creating a summery vibed makeup look using clean beauty products. She's a clean beauty makeup artist, and she does a very funny clean beauty series called Clean Beauty News, and trust me, she does not hold back. She tells you how it is when it comes to makeup reviews, but also just about brands and what's new in clean beauty. So you definitely want to check her out. I have her information below. Show her some love, and yeah, let's get straight into this video. Sit back, relax. I hope you guys enjoy this look. To start off this makeup therapy session, I like to play my favorite playlist. I really just feel like it sets the mood, relaxes me. I'm going to start with foundation. I'm using the Honest Beauty foundation in the color Sand. This is my first time trying this foundation actually, and I'm just using the applicator it came with. I'm going to go in with the Clove and Hallow concealer in the number 3. And I'm just going to put this in the areas where I really want to brighten or just need a little bit more coverage. And I just use that with my beauty blender. I'm going to go ahead and set that with the Honest Beauty powder. I believe it's called their Unpowder. And I really like this with a damp beauty blender. It gives such a beautiful soft finish to the skin. For brows, I like to use a brow pencil, usually like a dark brown shade, and I like to start with the spoolie side and just brush out and kind of tame my brows. And I like to just fill in any sparse areas. I'm not really a brow expert here, but I just like to kind of fill it in and keep it as natural as possible. I go back in and just kind of brush them over to make it look a little more clean. To prime my eyelids, I like using the Clove and Hallow concealer. I just feel like it brightens it, and it's just such a great way to just prime my lids for eyeshadow. To set my eyelids, I'm going to use the Honest Beauty setting powder, and just to kind of give it that base and make it a lot easier for the eyeshadow to apply and set. For eyeshadow, I'm going to be using my Pacifica Eyeshadow Palette. I'm going to go in with this gorgeous orange shade called Falcon, and I'm just going to use a fluffy blending brush and just kind of tap on the eyeshadow onto my eyelids. This I feel like you can easily just apply. I really like this eyeshadow palette because it's affordable but also very easy to blend. I grabbed a clean blending brush and I just went over and kind of blended out the eyeshadow. Then with a smudge brush, I'm going to go in with this highlight shade called White Raven, and I'm just going to put that on the highlight part of my brow bone, the inner corner of my eyes, and just kind of focus that in and blend it out. Now with this straight edge brush, I'm going to go on my lower lash line and just kind of apply that highlight shade there. I just feel like it makes it pop with like that highlight, and it just looks really pretty. With my finger, I'm going to grab this gold shade called Unicorn and just kind of tap it in the center part of my eyelid. I just think it gives the orange such a pretty sparkle. Then with a blending brush, I'm going to grab more of the orange shade and focus it on the outer corner of my eyes and then slowly build it back into the center. I just wanted to kind of define more of that orange and deepen the outer corner. Now with my Era Perez gold liner, I'm going to line my lower waterline. I feel like it gives just the right amount of sparkle, and it's just such a pretty everyday liner. For mascara, I'm going to be using the Ilia mascara. I absolutely love this mascara. It definitely gives you so much volume and length. I like to just mainly focus my mascara on my top lashes, and you can see that it gives you just enough separation but also gives you a lot of definition. For bronzer, I'm using Ilia's bronzer in the color Dawn In, and it's kind of a very light matte bronzer. I almost feel like I should have gotten their darker shade, but I'm just going to focus this where I want to kind of deepen and chisel my face, so my cheekbones and around my nose, and of course my forehead and double chin. For blush, I'm going to be using Honest Beauty's Coral Blush, and it's a beautiful cream product. Seriously, blends so beautifully on the skin. I'm obsessed with this color. So I put this on my cheeks, but I also ended up putting it at the center of my eyelids. I just really wanted to put that pinky coral shade, incorporate it in my eyeshadow. And I think that it just kind of sets the tone for the whole face. I decided to line my lips with a natural nude liner, just to kind of give my lips a more full appearance. For my lip color, I'm using Youngblood Mineral Cosmetics Liquid Lip in the color Euphoria, and it's this beautiful terracotta color, and I like putting it on the back of my hand and just kind of building the color because I wanted this to be very soft and almost give me that peachy vibe in the color. So I built this up and then just tapped it onto my lips. I decided I wanted to see what it looked like with gloss, so I'm using Tower 28's lip gloss in the color Fire, which is this beautiful orange lip gloss shade. It gives you such a very slight orange. To give my face a little more glow, I went in with Ilia's highlight color in the color Decades, and it's just such a pretty soft highlight, and it looks really good on the skin. It doesn't look like powdery or cakey at all. To finish up this makeup look, I went back in with the Honest Beauty coral shade, and I wanted to tap this onto the center of my lips to kind of get rid of the gloss because I really liked how it was looking a little more matte, but I also wanted to lighten the lip color to just give it more of that peachy summer vibe. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.